concerned agencies. So what will this committee do at this point in time when we have a lot of urgent matters that the committee should address?
It is the position of the chair that it is but proper that the committee takes jurisdiction over the request of the Honorable Percy Sardana with respect to the conduct of motu proprio inquiry in aid of legislation with regards to the extradition of Pastor Apollo Kibuloy.
Well, with respect to that point, but as far as the procedure of how the Apo Kibuloy is to be extradited, as I said, at this point in time, it's already covered by our treaty and existing laws. But it is, our point is to somewhat revisit and see how we can improve action to improve our extradition treaty or on this point. Then I agree on that point. Not necessarily connected with the extradition of Kibuloy, because to me, I am sure the concerned agencies will be somewhat knowledgeable to implement our existing laws on this point. Thank you, Madam Chair.
There is now before the committee a letter signed by the Honorable Congressman Percival Sardana requesting the Committee on Justice to conduct an inquiry in aid of legislation on the reported request of the United States government on the extradition of Pastor Apollo C. Kibuloy. May I request for a copy of the letter? Please let the chair read the letter. Chairperson, Committee on Justice, dear Madam Chair, this is dated August 23, 2025. In light of the reported request of the United States government for the extradition of Mr. Apollo Kibuloy, I respectfully urge the Committee on Justice to conduct an inquiry in aid of legislation on this matter. There is an overwhelming public interest and concern over the process by which extradition requests are received, evaluated, and acted upon. It is imperative that Congress, through your committee, provide a forum where concerned agencies may clarify the status of the present request, explain the legal and procedural steps involved, and identify any gaps or ambiguities in our existing laws and treaties. This inquiry will not only help ensure transparency, fairness, and adherence to our international obligations, but also allow Congress to determine whether remedial or supplemental legislation is necessary to strengthen the country's extradition framework. Thank you for your attention to this request. Respectfully signed by the Honorable Percival Sardana. May I direct the Committee Secretary to provide the members with a copy of this letter. With regards to this request of the Honorable Percy Sardana that a motu proprio inquiry in aid of legislation be conducted on the extradition of Pastor Apollo C. Kibuloy, we are opening the floor for the comments of our committee members. The Honorable Joel Chua is recognized.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Madam Chair, I only have two issues with respect to the extradition of Mr. Apollo Kibuloy. My first question, Madam Chair, is that will extradition be considered by the requesting,
determining what can be done in the future, not in the present case of Pastor Kibuloy, Madam Chair.
Niya Kursunadang Caracas, bata ni GMA, at tinahabol niya si GMA, kaya kusang loob na nag-resign si Ombudsman Merceditas Gutierrez kaysa